got this Karcher Window Vac thing from eBay. What's it called? It's called a Karcher Window Vac. I can't actually remember how much I paid for it. I think it was about £10, something like that. I'll put it here. There. And apparently it's got no power. We did get the charging cable with it. So let's plug that in. We're in. And we're getting nothing. I don't know where it's supposed to light up. Looks like there might be an LED inside that button there. Well, that button does nothing. First things first, let's see if we're actually getting any voltage in that. Voltage DC. Yeah, 5.4 volts. And also the pins here look absolutely fine inside there, so I don't think it's a problem with that. So I don't know what it's going to be. I wonder whether these things are susceptible to water damage with them being, well, used with water. I don't really know. It's a bit crunchy. I don't really know how to get into it. Ugh. Ugh. Okay, that's going to need a clean. Yeah, I mean, I don't. How does that come out? Like that? Maybe I need to read the instructions. Yeah. It did come with this, and you can see it's the WV2 Premium Black Edition. Okay. It's got some yellow on it, but okay. I'll have a read. Aha, right, we've got some buttons here on the side. Ah, that comes off. Right. And then that comes out. Right, lovely. So, I need to get this apart. So we've got some holes. I presume it's got some screws in. We'll try T7. Bit rusty. Oh. Wow. Right, well, it only had 2 screws in it, so I'm guessing this has either been apart before or someone's tried to. And the screws are a little bit rusty, which is not great. Maybe we've got more screws in there now. Okay. You can see all the crud that's come out. Oh, I can see rust. Oh dear. Yeah. We've got rust on this battery terminal and rust all over the motor. Lovely. Ugh. Right, we've got corrosion on the bottom here. It's just all a bit grim, isn't it? Let's see if there's any voltage in this battery. I'm assuming there's not going to be. Again, voltage DC. No, I think that battery's completely dead. So I think it's going to need a new battery. It might not just need a new battery. This is... I'm going to clean this up. This is disgusting. It's a bit better. Alright, let's have a look at this. There is corrosion here, but I'm not sure it's gone through. I think that'll just clean off with some IPA. So I think the only problem with this is going to be the battery. Or maybe the motor, because it is rusted. I don't think I'm going to have one of those batteries. Yeah, that's cleaned up fine. No problems with that. Let's take this battery out. Solder doesn't want to stick to this. There we go. This is leaded solder. I'm just trying to lower the melting temperature so I can get this off. Yeah, it's not sticking to it very well because it's rusted and oxidised. Right, there we go. Let's see if I can clean this up a bit. I'm not sure if it's damaged the pads here. I think they might be okay. Get some solder wick on those. Right, let's have a look at this battery. So it is a, looks like an 18650, although it doesn't say that on it. Yes, it does. 18650, and it's a 3.65 volts, 2150 milliamp hours. Let's see what I've got. I did get a few different batteries. Right, I've got this Samsung 25R. It's a 3.7 volt, 2500 milliamp hours. Not for e-cig or vape. I think that should be fine. And it's got the tags on it as well. Let's try and install it. So we've got positive this side, negative on the other side. Right, the tabs are slightly too wide, so I need to cut them down. That's going to be fun. I think I'll be better with some aviation snips on this. Look at these bad boys. Probably slightly overkill. Right, so trim down the tabs, or tags, whatever you call them. Now let's try and put it in. Positive, negative, excellent. Nice. Right, let's see if it's going to do anything now with that new battery in. Make sure that this motor doesn't fly away. Yay! Nice. Awesome. Let's also see if it charges. Yes. Okay, brilliant. So it was just that. New battery. This is going to need a really big clean because all of these things are absolutely gross. Like that. So I'm just going to give everything a good clean and I'm going to put it back together and then we'll see if it actually works. Nice. Well, it's actually cleaned up quite well. I'm going to try and get a couple of new screws to replace the ones that are missing. I don't have any currently, so I will sort that out. And now let's just see if it's charging. Yes, it is. And let's see if it's working. Yes, it is. I mean, I don't know what it's supposed to do. I think the battery probably needs a full charge before I can use it. So let's do that. Let's give it a full charge. And yeah, nice and easy. It just needed a new battery. Stupid battery.